Lovely. Hi, I'm Ray. This is my gardening channel. Today I've done some seeds. We're in January, we're January the 4th, and was looking through my seeds and I need to have a bit of a tidy, but I found some shallots and I really wanted to do some shallots and I really wasn't sure that I had some seeds. So one of my lists of seeds for January is shallots, and we'll show you a few more seeds that we can do in January. So it's a cold old morning on the allotment and I wanted to get these shallots in. So I thought I'd come down, do a bit of sowing, get these on the go. So I'm using these little trays, and these were picked up from the recycled bin of a garden centre where people had bought them in trays, the seedlings, and then thrown the packets away. So I like using these as they're narrow and they don't take up a lot of space. So I'm using this compost and we're going to mix a bit of sand. This is just sharp sand and we're going to add a bit of sand just to the compost to give it a bit of drainage. So this is our seed tray and we're just going to fill this up, press it down, and we're just going to scatter a few seeds. One day they make seed packets that open easy. So here we go. These shallot seeds were dated 2019 December, so they are a little bit old, but we'll give it a go. So this is the shallot seeds, and they're very much like the normal onion seeds, and we're just going to give it a sprinkle approach and just sprinkle them along the seed tray. I'm not going to use them all, and we'll actually put some of these back and we'll try again. If they germinate, then we can have another crop later on. So that's the shallots done, and we're just going to cover over the tray, and these are going to go home and they go in the heated propagator just to give them a bit of heat. And there we go. Not forgetting the label. One of my New Year's resolutions is to do more labels. So shallot, 4th of January, and use a pencil and it hopefully should stay on there. So that's the shallots done. So let me show you what else we can sow in January. So here is a selection of some of the seeds that we can sow during January, and if you've got a propagator or some heat at home, then chilies and peppers. The hotter the pepper, the earlier they will get in, will be great. So peppers and chilies can be done in a propagator, along with onions. So we've got Elsa Craig onions, and these are good for showing. And also we have leeks. We've done our Boxing Day leeks and we posted a video, and we'll add a link about that with the Elsa Craig and the leeks. Also cauliflower. This is all the year round. This can be sown from January through to May. And you can do some carrots. If the ground outside is too wet, then it's not very good. But we can do this in a bucket or in a container. This is Amsterdam too. And these can be done in a bucket. And I've got some in my bucket here that are growing. But I've got a hole in the bucket and the sill has been coming out. I really don't know how that's going to be working out. But radishes, we can do radish. We've got French breakfast and cherry bell. And also we can do some salads. So we've got salad leaves and also rocket. This is all year round. Strong against mildew, bolt tolerant. And we can do some aubergines. I've done some aubergines and they need a bit of heat, but these can be done from January right through to April. So there's no rush. If you want to get some mustard on the go, then this can be sown all year round. Also with some herbs. Many of the herbs we can do all the year round, and oregano all year round. Herb coriander, that can be done all year round. Herb dill is another herb that can be done. And parsley, sown all year round. So that's a choice of a few herbs that we can get going during the January season. And there's also some flowers. If you didn't do your sweet peas at the end of September, October, then these can be sown now from January through to March. And we're going to do some more sweet peas. We'll plant some of those in the polytunnel now. And we've got carnations. Carnations can be sown from January through to March, and they flower August through to October. Along with some salvia and geranium hardy mix. Both of these can be done in January. So hopefully there's a few seeds that we can do during January, but there's really no rush. But one thing that does strike me is on Moneymaker tomatoes, they say we can sow these in January, but it's really not worth it. The light is low and sun is not very warm, and yeah, so indoors January to April, but it's really not worth it. But I might just stick one in the ground just to show you exactly why you shouldn't. But there we go. That's a variety of seeds that can be sown in January. So, thank you very much for watching. And what are you sowing in January? Let me know in the comments. And please feel free to join me on my Facebook group. I'll add the link in the description below. And we can join us there and let me know what you're sowing. Really pleased. The spring onions from Boxing Day are coming through, which is a real bonus. And my sweet peas are doing really good. So very pleased overall. So thank you very much and Happy New Year again, and look forward to seeing what you're growing during the year. Thank you very much. Cheers.